In this video, we'll discuss what a theme is and why customizing your theme is beneficial for your store. You can access the theme section in your Shopify admin by clicking Online Store. The default theme added to every Shopify store is called Debut. Before we venture any further, let's discuss what a theme is. A theme is a layout that determines the way your online store looks and feels. Different themes have different styles and layouts and offer a different experience for your customers. The theme is essentially your website builder, which you can customize as you see fit. You can view what the published theme is at the top of the page in the Current Theme area. The published theme means that it is live. This is what the public sees after you launch your store. The area under the title gives a quick preview of what the published theme looks like on a smartphone or laptop in its current state. By clicking Customize, you will be brought to the Theme Editor page. It is in this area where you will make changes like font style, color scheme, and layout of your website. We will discuss how to use each feature section in further detail with individual videos. Customizing your theme is how to create your brand identity. It will set you apart from your competition. Before you decide on a theme and start customizing, start thinking of features and designs you'd like to see on your online store. There are a wide variety of themes to choose from, depending on your business needs. Stay tuned for more tutorials on themes in Shopify.